Hi, my dear friends. So once again, I am with you. Right. So my I just before proceeding for the today's topic, I just want to ask a simple question. And what is the question? See, which is the most difficult zone onto our lives? I repeat, what is the most difficult zone for our life? Difficult means which we are tend to leave it, but because of certain reasons, we could not be able to leave it. So, which is the most difficult zone onto our lives? Is it the red zone? Is it the green zone? Is it the yellow zone? What is that? I'm just giving you the fraction of second just to rethink, just to have a thought onto your mind, back of your mind. Done it? So, what is that? Absolutely, my dear friend, that is the comfort zone. Not any green zone, not any red zone. What is the most difficult zone onto our life? That is comfort zone. Remember, my dear friends, when we were kids, right? When we were studying, so we would be having one alarm clock with us. And what we tend to do? We just make a schedule, we just make the timetable for tomorrow's studying pattern, right? And for that we have just put it an alarm for tomorrow morning. I will awake at 5 a.m, 4 a.m, 6 a.m. I will do the study of this subject for 1 hour. Next half an hour I will have rest, then this blah blah blah, and then so on. But does it actually happen at any given point of time? It may happen or may not happen for 1 day or 2 days, but does it happen actually for next number of couple of days, number of weeks, number of months, number of years? Surely not, right? So you are having, or I would say that we are having the practice of practicing to be there in the comfort zone since last number of years. We don't want to leave this comfort zone actually. We want to leave, but we are not making any efforts. We don't put any efforts hard to make this comfort zone out from our life. Right? How many times during job your bosses has said something to you, something against to you, and you have decided from now this moments onwards I will do something for making my life better, for making our kids' life better. But is it happen? And not pertaining to the job, anything, every time in your life, n number of times you have decided that you are going to leave this comfort zone. But my dear friends, is it actually happen? It is not happening. How many times you have thought that you now be having a better life, you would become the better version of yourself, but it has not happened because you don't want to come out from your comfort zone. You are having last n number of practicing, n number of years practicing, which will make you addicted. And just repeating, these number of years practices makes you addicted to be there in the same zone, and that is comfort zone. You don't want to come out from your comfort zone. You want to have a same life. You are having n number of dreams. You will do that, you will do that, you will become that, you will become that. Right? You will become Ambani, you will become Warren Buffett, you will become Bill Gates, you will become Steve Jobs, right? But nothing is happening. Nothing is going to happen till the time you are not leaving your comfort zone, my dear friends. We need to be hard ourselves. We need to push ourselves to get the comfort zone out from our life, right? See, please try to remember this. We are not having thousands of years for our survival. Time is passing very, very fast. With a fast pace, with a fast pace, with a fast speed, time is running. And we are sitting there onto the same comfort zone. We don't want to change our life, or we want to change our life only to the dream pattern thought pattern, not in the implementation pattern, my dear friend. And till the time we are not doing implementation, no miracle is going to happen into our lives. You want to give a better life to your kids, you want to give a better life to your wife, you want to give a better life to yourself, you want to nourish your family like anything, but nothing is happening, nothing will happen till that time you will not leave this comfort zone. We need to be harsh ourselves. We need to think that why the change is not happening into our lives, because we are having the practice, we are addicted for the comfort zone. I remember, my dear friends, if you want to come out from this comfort zone, push yourself very hard. Time is running very fast. At the time of that, you will be cursing yourself that you can do that, you can do this, but you have not done that because of the comfort zone. Right? And that will be very, 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 I would not say the word. Right? So, we want to have a better life. For that, we have to make our life, and nobody else will come and give a better life to ourselves. Nobody else is responsible for our life. Only we are accountable for our life. Only we are responsible for our life. What do you think? You have watched n number of motivational videos, n number of motivational movies, but does the change happen? Change has not happened. Why the change has not happened? Because you are not allowing the change to happen. You are not allowing the change. Only you. And why? Because of the comfort zone only. Get out of this comfort zone immediately, my dear friends, if you want to do anything into your life. Please note it down into bold letters right now, that from this moment onwards, from this second onward, I am leaving the comfort zone. Note it down right now, that I am leaving this comfort zone. And my dear friends, if you could leave this comfort zone, miracles are waiting for you. Successes are waiting for you. There is standing just out of your door. Go there and welcome that. But for that, you need to come out from your comfort zone. So that is the message for today only. If you want success in your life, if you want to give a better life to your family, get out of your discomfort zone. And if you like the video, just share the video and give your beautiful comment. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.